If you need to change your address on Sars Efiling and you're not sure where to start, this video is for you, 'cause honestly, many people update their bank details, phone number, or even move to a new home and completely forget to update their address. With Sars, which can sometimes cause delays with important tax correspondence. The good news is updating your address on Sars Efiling is usually a straightforward process, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step by step, first go to the Sars Efiling website and sign in to your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the section called My Profile or Maintain Sars Registered Details, depending on the version of e-filing you're using. This section contains the personal information Sars has on file, including your address details. Next, open your registered information and locate the address section. You may see both residential address and postal address. If you've recently moved, make sure you update the correct one or both. If necessary, now enter your new address carefully, including street numbers, street name, suburb, city, postal code, and province. It's important to double-check everything, because mistakes can create problems later, especially when Sars sends official notices or requests documentation. Now here's something important. In many cases, Sars may require proof of residence before approving the change. This is a security measure used to verify your identity. Accepted documents often include a utility bill, a bank statement, a municipal accountant, another approved proof of address. The document usually needs to be recent and clearly display both your name and your new address. If requested, simply upload the document directly through the e-filing portal, following the instructions provided on screen once everything has been complete. Review your information one last time and submit the update request. You should receive confirmation that the request has been submitted successfully. Now let's talk about processing times. Sometimes the change appears quite quickly, while in other situations, Sars may need additional time to review the information, especially if supporting documents are required. If Sars needs anything else, they may contact you through your registered email, phone number, or e-filing account. Another good idea is to log back into your account after a few days to verify that your address has been updated correctly. Now let's be realistic. Keeping your address updated might seem like a small thing, but it can help prevent a lot of problems later, especially when dealing with tax returns, verification requests, refunds, or official Sars correspondence. So to summarize, to change your address on Sars e-filing, log into your account, append your registered details, update your address information, upload proof of residence if requested, and submit the update for review. Because honestly, keeping your Sars information accurate is one of the easiest ways to avoid unnecessary tax headaches in the future.